Time for Jim and stop trading.
Okay, if the stock gets to where General Mills did, a 5% yield, no matter what they say, it can go higher. That's my gospel. I want to thank David for breaking a lot of great news. To me, I'm going to say it, David, Ellison didn't seem to have the horses. He just didn't seem to have the horses. I want to see real money. I don't see it. And as far as I'm concerned, illusory is the right word. Not unlike the illusory that I'm beginning to see in Oracle, the company.
This is fascinating to watch.
I don't want to be the guy. I don't want to be the guy.
Slow and then sudden move here in terms of your criticism of Oracle and OpenAI.
The five family, they have to get together and stop the spend, and it's Oracle that's the linchpin. They're a real company. They have a really bad balance sheet. I'm sorry. I don't know what Paramount's balance sheet is, but I bet there's nothing to write home about. Will they be in business next year? What do you think?
Of course they'll be in business next year.
Of course. Like when you asked.
But yes,
Isn't part of the argument that Paramount would have 7 times leverage, right?
Right. Well, the point that the Warner Brothers board has made is that particularly if their linear cable networks perform suboptimally, even from here, that performance will increase or decrease their ability to repay debt. Leverage will go up even more, and they'll be looking at the leverage of a combined company. And would Ellison say, forget it, no mas?
Well,
that's their fear. Because frankly, if you get $30 a share in cash or 31 or 30, you don't care what the leverage is of the company that gave you the money, as long as you get the money.
This is the time for It's really time for Larry to say, listen, I want to be bigger than those numbers you just gave. He's got enough to do it. Look, Larry comes in, he does the data centers, and he sends a check to Zaslav, and I'm cool. It's pretty easy.
Oracle only up 8.6% for the year now.
I'm going to get you a Lazy Susan. You won't believe it. They're like from the 50s.
They're still around, Jim. People still use them.
Oh, no, these are the deals that are around. Those are just furniture.
He wasn't talking housing.
No. When there was a justice problem. I mean, there was a time when they would look into these things.
There was a time.
Yeah. Archibald Cox would have looked into it. Nixon had justice for him, believe it or not. He was pro-justice.
Until he wasn't.